In front of me is OSCAL Tiger 12, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Manager. First of all, you need to open Settings and tap on Google at the bottom. Then select Autofill, Autofill with Google, and the switcher next to Use Autofill with Google. As you can see, after that my switcher and all of those features are gray. That means that autofill is off, but you can always switch it back on by tapping on the same, now gray switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!